In today's video, I'm going to show you how to print PowerPoint handouts with lines for notes. This is a great way to share your presentation while giving your audience the ability to jot down thoughts, reminders, or questions, making your slides more interactive and useful. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to convert your presentation into a handout format that's both professional and practical. To start, open PowerPoint on your computer. If you already have your presentation ready, go ahead and open the file. If you're creating something new, launch a blank presentation and add your slides as usual. Once your presentation is open, direct your attention to the File tab at the top left corner of the window. This is where all the important options for saving, exporting, and printing your presentation are located. Click on File to open the menu, then look for the Export option. The Export menu contains advanced tools for sharing your presentation in different formats, and this is exactly where you'll find the handout options we need. After selecting Export, click on Create Handouts. This option allows you to convert your slides into a format that includes space for notes next to each slide. You might need to click Create Handouts more than once to confirm your choice, so don't be surprised if a secondary prompt appears. Once confirmed, you'll be presented with multiple layout options for your handout. For adding lines for notes, select the layout labeled Notes next to Slides. This setup displays each slide on one side with blank lines on the other, giving your audience room to write observations or reminders as they follow along. Once you've chosen your layout, click OK to generate your handouts. PowerPoint will automatically open a new Word document with your slides formatted according to your selection. Each slide will appear alongside lines for note-taking, ready to be printed or shared digitally. You can further adjust spacing, font sizes, or other formatting in Word if you wish to customize it even more. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully created PowerPoint handouts with lines for notes, providing a valuable resource that enhances audience engagement and makes your presentation more interactive. Whether you're preparing for a classroom lecture, a business meeting, or a workshop, this technique ensures your slides are functional and user-friendly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks to take your PowerPoint skills to the next level. Happy presenting!